Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my first voiceover during editing my photo. I understood it perfectly, but I still working on practicing on my speaking. So join me. This flower name is Striped Bladderwort. By the way, this flower thrives on wet mossy rocks found in mostly in rainy areas. So I want to process this photo. First we adjust the exposure. So contrast. During the highlights. Opening shadows. Lowering the whites. A little bit blacks also. Okay. Then increasing some texture and some clarity also. Increasing vibrance. Lowering some saturation. I want to minimize the brightness of green color. Increase the luminance. Aqua and blue also. Increasing yellow color brightness means the luminance. Saturation tab to minimize the green color. Aqua and blue also. And in the hue, changing the hue of green color. Green, aqua and blue also. More green music. Luminance also. Then in color grading tab, I want to make shadows in bluish tone. It's cooler side. Highlights also. After holding shift, it will easily to decide the saturation of that color. And for the midtones, for warmer side. After that, in the sharpening, amount will be 45 something, and after pressing Alt, I want to mark that sharpening around 70. Is sufficient. Here is the fringing, purple color, so I want to remove it in this lens correction tab. Here is the defringe. Lower here you can see before and after this. It is very useful in landscapes also, or any other photos. In calibration, I want to increase greens little bit. Adjusting some shadows and contrast. Look this before and after. And here is the final image. Thank you so much for watching my very first video with my voiceover. If you enjoyed seeing this Lightroom process, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more processing videos and this macro photography photo processing videos. Let me know what you think of the final photo in the comments. See you in the next video. Thank you.